Okay, everybody, so gather around so I can tell you my account of Jesus Christ.
One day, Mary, the mother of Jesus, while still pregnant, went over to visit her cousin Elizabeth. Now, Elizabeth was pregnant with John, John the Baptist, that is. And when Mary was near John, John started to kick and move around in his mother's belly. A woman named Anna and a man named Simeon praised the Lord for this baby Jesus, and Simeon praised God for being able to see salvation with his own eyes. When they grew older, John baptized his cousin Jesus, and he bore witness to God being pleased with Jesus. Jesus came from the line of David, which also means that he came from a long line of ancestors that led back to Adam. Jesus knew of his mission of the kingdom, so he went around healing the sick, welcoming outsiders, and forgiving sins. He did all of this because he said that he was creating a new Israel, and this meant getting rid of the old and introducing all of the new. But the leaders didn't like that of him, not at all, really. They called him dishonorable, a blasphemer, and even a drunk. But Jesus continued to teach people anyway. Moses and Elijah met with Jesus at the Transfiguration, while three of Jesus' disciples watched. The three began to talk about Jesus leaving and the fulfillment of it. Jesus sent 70 people out to announce the arrival of God's kingdom. He taught about praying and trusting in the Lord's provisions and so many other things to help us. Then, one time, he had a banquet that included socially unacceptable people, and the leaders flipped because Jesus corrected them. And then they got really upset and wanted to kill him. As you may know, Jesus told a lot of parables. One of his most favorite and most memorable one is of the prodigal son. Now, if you remember, the prodigal son.
Oh. Okay, but wait, you're saying all this, but you still haven't even stated his position. Like, who do you think he is? Well, personally, I believe that he's personified of God's fulfillment of a promise. Okay, just asking. I don't know, man. Seems like you're getting a little bit interested. Well, I don't know about all that, but I mean, I'm pretty bored anyway. I don't have anything better to do, so I mean, I guess I just want to hear some stories out, cause like I said, bored. All right. Anyways, let's continue.